Hi, I'm Joel with TalkFishing.com, and I'm with my buddy Rick. We're on the Umpqua River in Reedsport, Oregon, and we're going to do a little fall Chinook fishing, so stay tuned.
That is a nice fish, guys. We just saw him, 25-30 pounds, I'm guessing. He's a dandy. Derek's putting the whipping on him right now. Coming up. Derek's fought a fish in a boat before. Wherever he wants to go, we'll accommodate.
In the net.
Big old buck.
There you go, my man. Woo! Fish on, man. Fish on. Umpqua River fall Chinook. This fish just came straight out of the ocean here. It's about 3 or 4 miles. Here we go. He's not quite ready yet.
See how nice and bright that fish is?
He's a beauty. We get an opportunity today, we're going to show you how we're set up. Show you some of the gear that we use. You know, there's a lot of other ways to set up for these things, but this is how we do it. Doesn't mean it's right, wrong, or indifferent. We got that fish hooked right in the corner of the mouth. We're using a treble hook, single hook for a slider on top. We'll show you all this stuff here pretty quick. All right, we're gonna try to get him this time. In fish. He's in the net. I'm gonna get some slack on my reel so we can get him in the net. We got a fish in the boat. Yeah! Woo!
Yes, sir. Nice hand. Give me a whack.
That's fish number 2 for the day. We should have a pretty good bite turning on here pretty quick, we hope. We're gonna go ahead and take care of this fish and we'll get back on camera pretty quick. Hey, this is fish number 3. There's a little coho salmon on the Umpqua River. We didn't really get an opportunity to take the camera out. We've got a lot of boats and stuff around us, but hey, here it is. We did get it, fish number 3 for the day. Okay, you've spent the day with us. We're going to show you one of the more popular ways that most people set up for fishing down in the lower river in the saltwater or the tide section of the river. So my buddy Rick here is going to tie one up and we'll talk through it as he does it.
What we have here is, this one's kind of rusty, but they'll all work. It's basically an overgrown sewing needle where the eye is opened up so you can slip your line through it. I'm going to take this needle and put it through, insert it into the mouth of the herring or sardine, whatever you're using. I'm going to thread it down through the fish and ideally come out just about in the anus. After doing that, I've tied a loop in the end of my leader. I have a small sliding hook ahead of that. I'm going to put that loop in the hook in that eye, pull it through the herring, and then take the needle out. This is a number 2 treble hook. I'm going to take it, put it onto the end of my leader that's been fed through the herring, loop it over the hooks, pull it up snug. Now I'm going to pull slack back through the fish, take the treble hook and insert one of the hooks into the fish, such as that. Get those scales out of the way so you can see. All right, now I'm going to take the hook, the sliding hook at the front of the leader. I'm going to come down just barely into the top of the beak, right in the center. Come out through the lower jaw, right in the center. Pull the sliding hook down through the fish, or down the leader, until I put a slight bend in the fish. That's going to make it spin. Now the last thing that we're doing, whether everybody does it or not, I'm not sure. To finish up with our herring, I have a piece of old braided fishing line, I have about 6 or 7 inches of it. I'm going to wrap that around the fish's mouth, the herring's mouth, right ahead of that hook. I'm going to wrap that around twice, pull it up snug. What I'm trying to do is hold the mouth closed because you get a better spin out of it that way. So now I pull that up snug, just finish off my knot. Then I'll take a pair of scissors and I'll just trim off the excess and discard it. You have your herring with I'm going to put just a touch more bend in that. I'm not real happy with it. Oh, pull that up. I have my slider just a little bit tight. Now that what is about the right amount of bend in that fish. When you pull it through the water, it will spin.
All right, now that Rick showed you how we run our leader through our herring to get it to spin, Derek here is going to show you how we set up our fish flash.
All right, we've got our herring rigged up here. We've got a number 2 treble hook in the back. We've got a number 4 octopus hook set up as our slider, 25-pound main line, barrel swivel, and a wire snap. We're going to hook that snap into the back of our fish flash here. Now, we've got a spreader for our weight here. We've got another clip, another swivel, another chain swivel, and our spreader. We hook the bottom of the spreader into the top end of the fish flash. We're good. This is the top where the main line connects, and right here you attach your weight.
That's our show for today. Hey, thanks for watching.